Hey everyone, and welcome to the first video of week 2. And today we're going to be talking about designing a data structure or database. And in this first video, we're going to talk about the first part of 6 steps to effectively designing a data structure or database, and that is identifying the data elements. When we're talking about identifying data elements, we're talking about well, the whole process is around basically translating a real-world system to a database system, i.e., translating people, documents, facilities, and other systems into related tables which contain rows and columns. And so as part of that, we will take the 6 steps listed here, which is identifying the data elements, subdividing each element into its smallest useful component, and identifying tables and assigning columns to, and then reviewing whether the data structure is normalized, and identifying the indexes to create a data system for that. And so in this video, like I said, we're going to be talking about identifying the data elements. And what do I mean by this? I mean looking at a system or maybe data and identifying certain aspects of it that we could use to translate into our database or our data structure. And so here I have a customer invoice for an auto repair shop. And so you can see we have customer, it's broken into basically 3 sections, which is customer information, parts, and then the actual work order. And so what can we identify from this invoice that would potentially translate into a database or data system? And so we have a few things here. So we can look at name, address, phone number, vehicle, VIN, parts, actually we'll say part, manufacturer, and although it's not listed here, let's assume that there is a part number associated with a part as well. Part number, part quantity, part unit price, and then we'll say invoice total, and then we'll say, so we'll have a work order number, technician, total labor hours, technician comments. And so now that we've looked at all of this, we've identified some data elements that we can begin to think about breaking down into smaller pieces to start creating our data structure. So that is all for video 1. Let's dive right into video 2.